Affiliate marketing websites in 2021. Affiliate marketing is one of the best options if you are looking for an online job. People also ask, does Amazon affiliate make money? Yes, if you put in the time, effort and education needed to earn. With affiliate marketing, you can earn extra money on the side, along with a full-time job. Making money while you are asleep is a dream of almost all digital marketers. In this video, let's explore some sites in detail and help you decide the best one for you. ShareASale Affiliates. It has been more than 17 years that this site is in business. It has a plentiful market full of merchants catering to almost everything that clicks your mind. There will always be digital and the standard payout are available, which is great as it is rare among the sites, and this earns major points for them. While you're choosing merchants to work with, you get a huge variety of products to choose from to promote. Amazon Affiliates. The best thing about Amazon Affiliate is, once someone has visited your website and clicked your affiliate link, you will earn a commission for all purchases they will make in the next 24 hours. eBay, the user-based colossal marketplace, wants you to help advertise and sell their items. The only thing you have to do is find listings you want to help promote, and you can promote them using eBay's partner network tools, and you get paid. It is extremely straightforward, with no complex rules. Well, eBay offers a double commission for 3 months, and nobody says no to extra money. It is the best website for all those in niches where their audience will also be trying to sell online. Create a free website and earn money -100% works. A marketplace filled with a variety of merchants that you would choose to promote based on what your audience is interested in. It focuses on digital lifestyle products created by entrepreneurs from around the world. Their product database is one of the easiest to navigate. It makes finding something to promote really easy. It brings together several things such as unique media inventory, a global affiliate network, advanced machine learning, and rich consumer insights to deliver experiences that increase brand awareness and marketing performance. It allows you to market our suite of lead generation tools, which have helped thousands of entrepreneurs create sustainable small businesses online. To make their website the best, they offer a 30% recurring commission on all sales you generate. It is a potent online tool, making it truly worth promoting. Leadpage's partner program offers massive payouts, 30% commission on whatever the referral spends. They offer an incredible affiliate program, which makes working with them great. Users take one look at StudioPress work and instantly fall in love with what they can achieve with it, making their job easy. CJ Affiliate Publishers Program. It has several features to distinguish it from others. They have been in this industry since 1998, which makes them one of the largest affiliate networks, and their expertise shines through everything they do. Bluehost Affiliate Program. Its process is simply straightforward. It earns a commission for each qualified hosting plan purchase. Affiliates are allowed to refer as many new customers to the hosting as possible. Customers can earn money by promoting services on social media platforms and personal interactions. We have discussed the best affiliate marketing websites that will help you find the best one for yourself in case you are confused with which one to begin with. Consider the percentage of commission you can earn with each website. As for our knowledge, Amazon's affiliate is the best marketing place that allows you to make huge money.